Hello mga kababayan! Let's react to Miss Universe Philippines questions and answers. Alam nyo guys, last night I was able to watch it dito nga sa YouTube, dito sa sofa na to, nanonood ako pero nakatulog ako guys. So I was not able to finish it. So ngayon, I will finish listening to and watching to their questions and answers, especially to their answers. And let's see guys kung sinong mas magaling sa mga sagot nila. At may naririnig rin ako sa Facebook ngayon na mas magaling si ito, mas magaling dito, tapos yung nanalo hindi karapat-dapat. Tingnan natin guys. So watch my reaction until the very end para malaman nyo kung saan ako buboto, kung I will agree with the winner or not. Tapos guys, please naman, before we will continue reacting, paki-subscribe na naman yung channel ko. Please support me kasi mababa pa yung mga subscribers ko. So anyways, thank you so much guys, and paki-like naman ng video na to. So let's watch this and let's react.
Hello, Taguig.
Hi, Gabby. You look beautiful tonight.
Oh, likewise.
Thank you.
You may pick your question from the bowl. Your question is, women in Philippine politics are still a minority. And here in Miss Universe Philippines, we talk about women empowerment. How will you help empower women and encourage them to participate in politics?
Women today deserve a seat in a table. This time, babae naman. We are at par with men. We are trailblazers, we are leaders, and I think women are definitely a force in the universe. Thank you.
Thank you, Taguig.
Thank you.
Babae powered.
Meron siyang punto pero kulang lang ng pagka-explain, although she got longer time to explain, pero parang hindi niya siguro na practice ang question na yan kasi it's not common, that kind of question. So kung napaghandaan lang niya, siguro mas na-explain niya, pero nandun yung thoughts na gusto niyang sabihin, hindi lang na-explain. Sayang kasi ang ganda-ganda niya, ang gusto ko yung beauty niya. But congrats, Taguig.
Cebu City, you're next.
Last two delegates. You may pick your question from the bowl. Your question is, just like our public officials, a beauty queen is a public figure whose life is under constant scrutiny. As a beauty queen, how do you maintain your authenticity amidst the expectations of the public?
As I've gotten older, I've learned that the most important thing is the posture of your heart. You have to ask yourself, am I putting out the best version of myself into the world? And is that something that is helping other people? I don't think there's a reason that we have to live on this earth if we're not impacting people positively. And so I hope all of us can move forward, take people next to us, and move to a better place in our society, because as Filipinos, we can place love above all.
Thank you, Cebu.
Maganda rin, pero parang kulang yung good job, Cebu, okay? Maganda, nandun yung mga sinasabi niya na maganda, pero very general, very general. Gusto kong mas inaano pa niya, sinasabi niya in detail, although short nga lang yung time, pero parang parang may kulang. Maganda pero may kulang. What do you think, guys? Basta para sa akin na kulang kasi sa question and answer naman dapat may impact sa masa, at tapos yung mga may impact sa mga nanonood. Although maganda naman yung pagkasabi niya, pero parang nakukulangan ako. What do you think? But good job, Cebu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You may pick your question from the bowl. Your question is, on May 12, 2025, our general elections will be held and we will be choosing our leaders. In your opinion, what is the most essential quality that we should look for in leaders? Why?
We should look for someone who has integrity, someone who put people's welfare first before their own political wants and own needs. We should have a leader that is not politics as usual, but someone who will always put other people's wants and needs. Thank you.
Galing, Winwin Marquez. So this kasi galing sa puso nila. So say hindi memorize yung mga answer, tapos very natural, galing sa puso, tapos yung mga ginagamit na wordings, simple English, hindi yung parang mga poem. So congratulations, Winwin.
Is, if you were to be the governor or the mayor of the local government you are representing now, what would be the single most significant project that you would wish to accomplish and why?
I've always known myself to be a committed advocate of education, and I would definitely promote education empowerment across all genders in our municipality, because we all understand that education is the key to open multiple doors of opportunities, the power that no one can ever take away from us, and the solution to feel more empowered and transformed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Straight to the point. Tapos basic yung mga English niya, at saka sinasagot niya yung tanong. Tapos makikita mo talaga yung sagot niya galing sa puso niya, yung hindi memorize. So ito yung parang memorize tapos gumagamit ng mga wordings na hindi basic English. So ito ang pinaka-best sa akin. Congratulations, Sinaluan, Laguna.
National hero Jose Rizal wrote that the youth is the hope of the fatherland. How can our young people play an important role in our elections?
In our generation, youth has a strong personality. They have the power to choose and vote for the right leaders. That's why tonight, I would like to encourage our youth to be wise in selecting our leaders, because when we are very wise about this, we can reach the tip of the universe, and the Philippines would definitely be progressive and productive as well. Thank you and good evening, Philippines.
Sultan Kudarat.
Thank you so much, Sultan Kudarat.
Maganda yung answer niya, kulang rin ng explanation kasi sana ini-explain niya, diba sinabi niyang strong personality, tapos wise, so sana ini-explain niya how a youth being wise and to have that strong personality help this incoming election. Pero maganda yung sagot niya. Actually, this is the third answer that I like. So, kulang lang ng explanation. Tapos gusto ko rin kasi straight to the point rin yung answer niya at hindi memorize, galing rin sa puso. So, hindi biro ha ang question and answer. They nailed it. Congratulations, Sultan Kudarat.
From the bowl.
Yeah.
Your question is, they say that a good leader leads by example. Tell us about one event in your life when you led by example and the impact it made.
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on this stage to be Miss Universe Philippines, because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream, and she passed away early this year. And this is my ode to her.
Thank you, Quezon Province.
Yung sagot niya guys, na timing rin dahil 'di ba na tumba siya. So, may impact rin dun sa sagot niya. Ang question ko lang, if ano ang sagot niya kung hindi siya natumba dun sa stage? Pero maganda rin man yung pagkasagot niya. Pero I'm just what's this? Asking sa sarili ko kung ano kaya ang sagot niya kung hindi siya natumba. But anyways, yung questions or answers nga niya, it's not the best among the candidates, although it's not the worst also. But siguro, sabi nila, bakit hindi nanalo si ganito, mas maganda yung answer. Pero kasi itatali mo yan sa overall. Maganda si Miss Quezon Province, maganda yung mukha niya, maganda yung stage presence niya. So, hindi naman worse yung answer niya. So, siguro sa mga answers nandun si Winwin Marquez, si Quezon Province at saka si Siniluan, they are there sa top sa questions and answers. Pero si Quezon Province nga nananalo kasi mas lamang siya sa ibang portion. Yun lang guys. So yun guys, I hope let's move on. Yung hindi nila manok si Quezon Province, let's just accept na siya ang nanalo. Tapos, yung iba naman, they have another chance to join again. Pero sinabi nga ni Winwin Marquez, di ba, na it would be her last time. Hindi naman kasi madali, 'di ba, yung preparation sa if you wanna join beauty contest. Tapos si Winwin, may anak yan, nasa showbiz yan, so busy rin. So, hindi na kailangan rin ni Winwin to prove to the Philippines na she is fit in a crown. Kasi, di ba, nanalo na siya yung, yung sa South America, she's the queen there, so no need to worry, Winwin. You are already a beauty queen. You already have the throne. So, and you are very intelligent. You are an intelligent woman, and no need to prove that to the public. And I wish you luck, like in other endeavor in your life. And also si Siniluan, may chance po talaga si Siniluan. Tapos gustong-gusto ko yung sagot niya. She's very natural. Tapos i-enhance lang, just enhance more your question and answer and your personality, tapos yung stage presence. Tapos si Sultan Kudarat, maganda rin yung pagkasagot niya. So, join na lang ulit kasi may chance pa rin. Tapos si Taguig, I really like her beauty, no? Morena, although, yan, bronze. I don't know kung natural niya yung skin niya or lang, yung tan or yung spray, yung bronze. Pero maganda siya. So, pwede rin yun next Binibining Pilipinas next Miss Universe Philippines, pwede silang mag-join ulit kasi they are very good. So, congratulations to all. And please don't forget to subscribe, react, comment, like, and share this video. Thank you. Bye.